Anthurium scherzerianum, your guide to the flamingo flower. Hi there, Ferg Vu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the stunning Anthurium scherzerianum, also known as the flamingo flower or pigtail plant. This vibrant houseplant boasts eye-catching, long-lasting blooms that add a touch of the tropics to any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Anthurium scherzerianum. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is Anthurium scherzerianum? The Anthurium scherzerianum is a captivating epiphytic plant native to the rainforests of Costa Rica. It thrives in warm, humid environments and is prized for its unique, waxy flowers that resemble flamingos in flight. These blooms, typically orange-red but with variations available, are borne on a curved stalk, spadix, that adds to the plant's charm. The foliage of the Anthurium scherzerianum consists of glossy, deep green, lance-shaped leaves that complement the vibrant flowers beautifully. This compact plant typically reaches a height of 12 to 18 inches, making it ideal for windowsills, tabletops, or hanging baskets. How to care for Anthurium scherzerianum? Thriving Anthurium scherzerianum requires mimicking its natural rainforest habitat. Here are some key care tips to keep your plant flourishing. Light: this plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Water: consistent yet moderate watering is crucial. Aim for the soil to be consistently moist but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Humidity: Anthurium scherzerianum thrives in high humidity. Consider using a humidifier, grouping plants together, or placing your plant on a pebble tray filled with water to increase humidity levels. Temperature: this tropical beauty prefers warm temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or drafts. Soil: a well-draining, airy potting mix is essential. Opt for a mixture formulated for orchids or epiphytes, which provides good drainage and aeration for the roots. Fertilizer: during the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every 2 to 4 weeks. Withhold fertilizer during the winter months. How to propagate Anthurium scherzerianum? Sharing the beauty of your Anthurium scherzerianum is easy with propagation. Here are 2 common methods. Division: when repotting a mature plant, you can divide it into smaller sections, each with a healthy root system and a growth point. Ensure each division has at least 2 to 3 leaves. Pot them up in suitable containers with fresh potting mix and provide them with proper care. Seed propagation is a more challenging method for Anthurium scherzerianum. Seeds can take a long time to germinate and require specific conditions. Common Anthurium scherzerianum problems. While generally a low-maintenance plant, Anthurium scherzerianum can encounter a few issues. Brown leaves: this could indicate underwatering, overwatering, or exposure to harsh sunlight. Adjust your watering routine and check light conditions. Yellowing leaves: similar to brown leaves, yellowing can be caused by improper watering or a lack of nutrients. Ensure proper watering and consider a diluted fertilizer application. Pests: mealybugs, aphids, and scale can occasionally infest your plant. Neem oil or insecticidal soap can be used for control. By keeping an eye on your plant and addressing any issues promptly, you can ensure your Anthurium scherzerianum thrives for years to come. What to plant with Anthurium scherzerianum? The unique form and vibrant colors of the Anthurium scherzerianum make it a versatile addition to various plant arrangements. Here are some compatible companions. Ferns: with their lush foliage, create a beautiful textural contrast alongside the glossy leaves of the Anthurium scherzerianum. Opt for varieties with similar humidity requirements. African violets: these flowering plants share similar light and humidity preferences, making them ideal companions. Their vibrant blooms can complement the orange hues of the Anthurium scherzerianum. Bromeliads, like the Anthurium scherzerianum, are epiphytes and thrive in similar conditions. Their diverse colors and textures add visual interest to the grouping. Remember, when choosing companion plants, consider their individual needs for light, water, and humidity to ensure a harmonious arrangement. I hope this FAQ has equipped you with the knowledge and confidence to care for your Anthurium scherzerianum. With proper care, this stunning plant will reward you with months of vibrant blooms and lush foliage, adding a touch of the tropics to your indoor space.